Every year, over 1 billion digital records are stolen, and the cost of these data breaches is rising. AI has changed the technological game, but not all of that change has been positive. According to recent studies, when manually checked, AI-generated code contains more security vulnerabilities and almost twice as many critical security issues than human-written code. With more and more new code generated by AI, what's the real-life impact of that change? Reported data compromises affect millions worldwide. Of all breaches analyzed in 2025, 44% contained ransomware, and 88% impacted small organizations. How these attacks happen. 75% of vulnerabilities could be directly tied to memory safety issues, like buffer overflows, improper input validation, and integer overflow or wraparound. They make up 26% of the top danger score in the Common Weakness Enumeration's Top 25 list. So what can we do to keep our software safe? With AI writing more code, automated security testing isn't optional anymore. Many ransomware attacks exploit memory safety vulnerabilities that fuzz testing could catch. Basically, a fuzz test will generate large amounts of invalid, unexpected, or random inputs, feed them into your application, and then monitor for crashes, hangs, errors, or security vulnerabilities. Comprehensive fuzzing with good code coverage could avoid more than 60% of the vulnerability types currently being exploited in real-world breaches. Fuzz testing can also detect critical OpenSSL vulnerabilities before they reach production, preventing potential remote code execution attacks. So, how do you do fuzz testing with Ranorex? First, create an Excel or CSV file with common fuzz testing inputs, including SQL commands, JavaScript, or other types of invalid data. In your Ranorex test, click on Manage Data Sources. Select the type of data file you are using, and then browse to select and upload it so you can view the file in the Data Source tab. Next, create variables for your fuzz inputs. This allows you to quickly pass them into your test steps. Then, you need to bind the variables to the items in your test data table. Click on the Unbound Variables text in your test. This will take you to the data binding screen, where you can assign test data items to your variables. You can now see your fuzz testing inputs being passed into your test. Now, just add validations. These will vary based on how your application UI handles errors, but there will usually be an error attribute that you can use for selector identification. You can validate based on the presence of an error element, the error text itself, or both. To check for the success of SQL injection, you can check the inner text of the entire page for SQL syntax. You can test for JavaScript injection by passing in a JavaScript alert and then validating it as not present. The bottom line is that memory safety bugs like buffer overflows and injection flaws are exactly what fuzzing catches, and these are the vulnerability types being exploited in major breaches today. Start testing smarter today. Request your 14-day trial and see how Ranorex Studio helps QA teams deliver faster, more reliable software with a complete end-to-end test automation solution.